This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we're going to be putting in a new drain line for the LG washer. This one's actually a washer-dryer combination. And first thing is we'll unplug it so there's no chance of getting shocked. I'm going to take our Phillips head screwdriver and remove a couple of screws here at the top, on the back. Then we can slide the top off, get that out of the way. So this one was just leaking a lot of water. Now we're reaching in here, we're pulling off this little vent tube off of the tub. So pull that out. So we're taking out the old drain line. We're going to remove a Phillips head screw from the back here that holds the drain lines kind of where they make a U-turn. It's a plastic piece. So we're going to remove that screw so we can get the old drain line out of there. There's a little bracket that holds in the drain line down in here that we have to just loosen, and it's just like a clip that holds it. We're going to pull up now and see if we can get the old drain line out, and we just have to also disconnect it from where it connects to the drain motor. So we pulled the washer away from the wall, we tilted it back about 45 degrees. Might be good to put something underneath it to hold it. And now we can disconnect the line from where it connects to the drain pump. And once it's disconnected, we can just pull it all out. There we go, there's the old one. And now we're going to put in the new one. I'm just going to feed in the one hose will go out the back. That's the one that goes out toward the wall. So we're going to feed that through the hole first. And then we're going to take the other part of the hose with the green end. We're going to push that down inside the cabinet, and it's going to run alongside the tub toward the front of the washer where it connects to the drain motor. So we're just pushing both tubes in at this point. And I'm going to make sure that I reconnect the little plastic piece where it makes the U-turn. I'm going to reconnect that to the back of the frame. We'll put that little Phillips head screw in to hold it. So I'm just pushing that little plastic piece back into the metal frame at the back, and I'll put in the Phillips head screw to hold it. And I'll put on the little fill tube, I'll hook that back onto the tub. I'm going to reach down in here and just reconnect the, there's a little bracket that holds on the tube. Reconnect that. I'll tilt it back, and I'm going to take the green end here that hooks up to the drain motor. I'm going to reach in, make sure you have the washer supported. I'm going to reach in and put that onto the drain motor. Just take your time. Use a good flashlight so you can see in there. And you're going to put that green rubber boot on top of the drain motor. It has a little exit port. You get that on there snug, and then you're going to tighten up the hose clamp. I like to use the screw type hose clamps, but the one that comes with it is one that you tighten by pressing in with a pair of pliers. So we got it all back working and no more leak. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.